Hello YouTube, it's Too Coolest Too. I'm doing a video for the snowstorm slash blizzard that's hit New York City and the whole Northeast from January 4th, 2018 to January 5th. Now I'm going to say this is some storm. It is 10 a.m. right now, 10:20 a.m. to be exact. And this storm was supposed to start around 1 a.m. this morning. Or just, you get it. And it didn't start, it actually started later. It was about 4 or 5. So I woke up around then and saw, snowflakes weren't falling yet. So I would say it started falling right after that. And I came out here about an hour ago. No, it's been shoveled over here, but we'll just look down the block. This was all shoveled, and now it's been an hour and a half, 2 hours later. Look how much snow has fallen. I actually went to check out in an area that was untouched, and about 4 inches, I would say, 3 to 4 inches has fallen so far. 3.5 to 4. So it's come down heavily. I have no idea why a blizzard warning has been issued from New York. On the camera, actually, it's easy enough with the wind, but it was really bad for the past hour. You could hardly see, you can't even see down the block. You see barely anything. Before, it was extremely bad. I was walking by the ocean too. Oh my God, it was so windy. Anyway, let's see, 3.5 to 4 is falling. Listen to that wind. Sorry. 3.5 to 4 is falling. Extremely windy. Temperature is 22 degrees, but the wind has the real feel down to 5 degrees. So look at this wind. It's really bad. It's just gonna get worse throughout the day. It's just staying home, relax, watch a movie. I don't know how some places are having people come to work. Look, you can't even see on the block. That's on the corner. That sanitation truck has just disappeared. This phone with the floor. They fly right out of my hands. It's really bad. I don't know how this blizzard conditions have been called. Originally they're forecasting 1 to 3. Then it changed 4 to 6. Now it's 5 to 8. The storm just moved more west than was originally predicted. But it's really bad. Trains are still running. Subway's still running. Schools are closed. CUNY and public schools. God. I tell you, it's windy. It's windy. You can hardly see. Blizzard conditions. There needs to be a blizzard warning issue. It's really bad. This guy over there, he's struggling with the snow off. It's just too windy. Blizzard conditions are generally called to, like, what, 50 miles per hour? Well, now they're saying the wind's going to get to 50 miles per hour. So this is pretty bad. I think they need to call it. I don't know why they didn't just shut down the subways. Probably because it wasn't predicted as bad. So now people are stuck at work. Now they're going to have to make the subways open. This is pretty bad. I would say the last time we had a big storm like this was probably 2 years ago. Last year wasn't really much of a snowstorm season. Maybe a few inches each storm, that's it. This is pretty heavy. 3.5 to 4 inches so far. Hardly see. See, I suggest staying home, trying to relax. I had to walk through this just to go see how I was working, so I had to shovel tomorrow. That's usually I do when there's a lot of snow. It was dead quiet this morning. I didn't hear a sound. Eventually I heard a sound of a shovel at the window. All the birds over there, all tweeting. This area's been shoveled again about an hour or two ago. Look how much has fallen already. Now keep in mind, there's a little bit of drifting snow here. See that snow just flying a little bit. Thanks for watching YouTube. I'm gonna end it here. Check out my more of my weather videos right here on my channel. I'm going to do updates throughout the day of the storm. For those of you who don't know, I'm in Brooklyn, New York. Southern Brooklyn. It's really bad over here. They were showing Manhattan on the news. It didn't look that bad there, but it'll get worse. So yeah, thanks for watching again. Please subscribe. Stay tuned for updates. I do some every few hours, so hopefully you'll watch. Thank you.